Hello everyone, this is my first video on chapter 1, that is real numbers. So first we learn about the number system. Let's see here the natural number. Natural number always start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. After that whole number which is start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. After that integers including plus and minus both numbers, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, 0 also. So negative and positive all numbers that are integers. After that rational number which is in the form of a by b, where denominator b which is not equal to 0. For example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 2 and so on. And irrational number under root 2, under root 3, under root 5 and so on. So let's see one more thing. These are the natural number, and really we can represent this natural number on number line. Let's see here. This is the number line, and we can represent natural number on really in number line. This is the whole numbers. We can also represent in really the whole numbers on number line. So these are the whole number 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Similarly integers in 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Let's see here. This is 0, this is plus 1, that is minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. So we can represent integers also on number line in really. Similarly rational numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Let's see here. This is the rational number. This 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, this is 3/4 1, and this is 5 by 4. So these are the rational number, and we can also represent rational number on number line. And similarly irrational number also. This is root 2 on number line. So natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, we can represent on number line really. So these numbers are called real numbers. All these numbers we can represent on number line really. So these numbers are called real numbers. Now let's see one example. This is our knowledge of previous classes. Now for class 10 we start theorem number 1, Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma, EDL, Euclid's division lemma. First let's see one example. 37 divided by 5. 37 divided by 5. So 5 7s are 35. Only remainder 2 is remaining. Since remainder which is less than 2 divisor means 5. So we can write like this: 37 is equal to, so we stop division, and 37, this is 37 dividend, divisor into quotient, 5 into 7, 5 into plus remainder, this is remainder, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Similarly, if a and b are two positive integers like as 37 and 5, this is a and this is b, when a divided by this b, then we will get some quotient q and remainder suppose r. Then dividend a is equal to b into q, divisor into quotient b into q plus remainder r. Here one more thing, note that here remainder which is always less than to this divisor. Here remainder which is always less than to this divisor. It means here this remainder r which is always less than to b. Remainder r which is always less than to b, but it is greater than or equal to 0. If it is completely divisible, then you will get remainder 0. So the value of r which is 0, or more than 0 but always less than to b, b means divisor. So remainder r which is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal, only less than to b, b which is our divisor. So this thing is known as EDL. Let's see here. The theorem of EDL, Euclid's division theorem, Euclid's division lemma. If a and b are two given positive integers, then there exists unique integer q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where remainder r which is greater than or equal to 0 but less than to b, because b is divisor. Once again, let's see here, r which is remainder and b is divisor, so value of r which is always less than to b. Now our first exercise 1.1, use Euclid's division algorithm to find the SCF. Use Euclid's division algorithm, it means procedure, to find the SCF. So 135 and 225 first part, second part 196 and 38,220, and there is one more third part 867 and 255. First part 135 and 225. Since here 225 which is greater than to 135, so let first see here, this is continuous division method. This is 225 divided by 135. 135 into 1, that is 135. So their difference is only 90. Now 135 transfer here and divided by this 90. Now this remainder, like as now it will be a divisor, and 135 it will be a dividend. So 90 is a 90. Now remainder is 45. Now once again this remainder, it will be a dividend, and this 90 transfer here and divided by this remainder which is 45. So 45 into 2, that is 90. Now remainder is 0. Since remainder is 0, so last divisor which is the SCF. This procedure is going on till then, until we get a remainder 0. So, and last divisor known as SCF. Now the first thing is 225. 225 we can write 135 into 1 plus remainder. If we use Euclid's division lemma, this is a, then we can write a is equal to bq plus r. This is a, so b into q, 135 into 1 plus remainder is 90. So since here 225 which is greater than to 135, so by using EDL, Euclid's division lemma, we can write 225 which is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. 225 which is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Again by using EDL. Now 135 is equal to, because now 135 is dividend, so 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Let's see here, 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Since again remainder is not equal to 0, so again using EDL. Now 90 as a dividend, so 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. This is 90 which is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Since remainder is equal to 0, so SCF is the last divisor, that is 45. So our SCF is 45. This is our answer. Now second part, 196 and 38,220. First here, this is 38,220 and it is divided by 196. So 382. 196, if we multiply it by 2, then the number we will get which is greater than 2, 382. So only one times, 196 into 1, it goes only one time. So 196 into 1, that is 196. The difference of 382 and 196 which is only 186. Now don't transfer 196 here because 2 and 0 remaining. So first 2 transfer here, so it will be 1862. Now 196 into 9, if it is 10 times, then 1960 which is greater than to 1862, so only 9 times. 196 into 9, it means 1764, and their difference is only 98. One more digit 0 remaining, so 0 transfer here, so it will be 980. Now 196 into 5, that is 980, and 980 cancel out, only 0 remaining, so our remainder is 0. So since this dividend 38,220, which is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. So our last divisor, this is our first and last divisor, which is 196. So this is our SCF. So since 38,220, which is greater than 196, so by using EDL we can write 38,220, which is equal to 196 plus 195 plus 0, B into Q plus R. Since here remainder equal to 0, so our last divisor, this is last and first, so our last divisor, which is 196, and that is SCF. Now next third part, 867 and 255. First here 867 divided by 255. 255 into 3, that is 765, and their difference is 102. This is the remainder. Now 255 transfer here. 102 into 2, that is 204, their difference is 51. Now this divisor transfer here, 102 transfer here. Now divided by 51, so 51 into 2, that is 102. So 102 and 102 cancel out, so remainder is 0. Since here remainder is 0, so last divisor, which is SCF, and last divisor, which is 51. Now by using EDL, it means A is equal to BQ plus R. This is A, this is B, and this is Q. A is equal to BQ plus R. R means remainder. So 867, which is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. So by using EDL, 867, which is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Since here remainder is 102 and which is not equal to 0, so again applying or again using EDL. So this is 255. 255, which is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. A is equal to BQ plus R. So 255, which is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Since here remainder is 51, which is not equal to 0, so again using EDL. So here 102, which is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. 102, which is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Since here remainder is 0, so 51, which is the SCF, last divisor 51, which is the SCF. Or you can write this question like this. This is 867 and this is 255. Since 867, which is greater than 255, so by using EDL, you write 867, which is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Again using EDL, 255, which is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Again 102, which is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Since here remainder is 0, so our last divisor 51, which is SCF. Now it's time for your homework. Once again use Euclid division algorithm or NEMA to find SCF, and numbers are 4052 and 12576, 4052 and 12576, and your answer should be only 4. One more, 420 and 130. Find the SCF by using EDL, 420 and 130, and answer is only 10.